Hello, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. Today we're going to be doing top 5 slow dancing tips for success. So the first one is you could try holding like this as literally everybody and your mother is doing. So if you want to be a little more cool or advanced or blow her away, you could try this, which is casual hold. Our leaders are actually going to put their left hand out. Ladies are going to place it on top and we're going to clasp just like this. We're going to try not to do this because then if we want to turn, yuck, right? We're caught now. So if you want to do something a little more exciting, let's try holding like this. His right hand is going to go on the back of my shoulder blade or down the back, depends how comfortable you are with one another. Ladies, it's best if you could place this on top here, but if you want to place it here too, that's fine. Again, this just makes us look a little more elegant. She's going to be super, super excited. Oh my gosh, she knows how to dance. Wow, what a gentleman. So you got her in the palm of your hand already.
Tip number 2, confidence is key. Confidence in yourself, confidence in you as a couple. So what I mean by this is being prepared, having something to default to or fall back on when you go out to the floor to dance. Yes, you could do random things. Yes, you could take a dance position and you could sway around and you could just walk around and take random steps if you're really, really good at leading and following, right? But ideally, you have some kind of pattern that you could fall back to. For example, we teach plenty of courses where we teach how to do a box. We do different things like that, and we always have some kind of thing to fall back to that we could use for our dance instead of randomness the entire time.
So if you are interested, we do have a few slow dances already up on YouTube for you. I'm going to link them down below and I'll try to put them up here as well. We've got Foxy, we've got Rumba, and we've got Viennese Waltz. So go check those out. Tip number 3 is to stay consistent. What I mean by that is now you already know that you should kind of come prepared, right? Maybe you've learned Foxy, maybe you've learned Rumba, and maybe you've learned Bachata. 3 different dances, right? So that being said, say you decide, okay, we're going to do the Foxy. Great. And then maybe he starts to switch it up and then he's like, oh, I know Rumba too. I'm kind of, trying to figure out how to do something else. Oh, but I also know Bachata. And that's great, but it's really hard and it's going to look probably pretty awkward and you guys are probably going to be a little confused. So one song, one dance. If you know 3 different dances, next song, different dance. So just stay consistent. If you come with a partner, verbalize, hey, let's do Foxy this song. Great. Boom. Foxy, done. You're on the same page. Easy peasy.
Tip number 4, we turn her, we don't yank her in a circle. Turning is about me opening the door and her walking through it. So if we're here together for a small example, if we're doing any of the versions of any dance, right? I pick up my hand, she walks in a circle. That is the easiest way to turn, not spinning in one place. I would never have her, and she wouldn't want me to turn her really tightly, force her to spin in one place and come back again. It wasn't very elegant, right?
Yeah.
The idea is that no matter which direction I send her and I want her to walk in a circle and come back to me and we can continue dancing from there instead of one of those.
I mean, it doesn't feel so good in the shoulder. She's not going to be happy. At the end of the day, if she's not happy, fellas, you're not happy either. So be smart. Last tip, we love to be dipped, okay? So definitely dip her, maybe on a big part of the music. At the end is always a safe bet. But slow and steady wins the race, right, fellas? We have plenty of videos teaching you step-by-step on how to dip. We'll definitely link those below, but we'll show you as an example. So if we're going into the dip whenever he decides to, we want to make sure we take our time with it, we develop, and then he maybe releases me out. What we don't want to do is surprise her, and then we just kind of flap into it.
Or surprise him.
Or surprise him. Ladies, we don't want to tip ourselves for sure. But basically, slow and steady wins the race, right? Unless you're very advanced and you kind of already have a few tricks up your sleeve. But again, we just want to make sure we take our time with it. She knows what's happening. You're there with her every step of the way. Maybe it's really simple. That's okay. But it's better than breaking her back. It's better than breaking his back. We don't want to break backs today, okay? Dip her, but make it slow, okay? It can be sexy. Cool.
Now that you've seen a few brief tips on how to slow dance, we do have a full-on how to slow dance course where you can learn all of these in much greater detail. There's 7 different videos from how to hold your partner, how to turn her, how to dip her, basics you can use, how to dance to music, all these different things you get to learn in this course, step by step for the 2 of us. Plan your date night now.
Thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up. It really helps us get our channel across to other people, which is what we want. And hopefully it's what you want for us as well if you like this channel. Subscribe, turn your bells on so you don't miss any of the free content we have out for you. And be sure to leave us a comment, maybe suggest what you want to see next, give us some feedback. And we love to hear that, and we'll get back with something new for you. And thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you very soon. Bye.